Across the rolling hills and verdant valleys of the British Isles lies a treasure trove of history and charm, often overlooked in our modern age. These are villages frozen in time, where ancient stone whispers tales of centuries past, and the rhythms of life move at a gentler pace. Join me, dear viewer, as we embark on a journey to uncover 5 of the most enchanting villages the United Kingdom has to offer, each one a testament to the enduring beauty and captivating stories etched into the very fabric of this land. Our first destination takes us deep into the heart of the Cotswolds, a region renowned for its honey-coloured stone cottages and idyllic landscapes. Here, nestled beside the meandering River Colne, lies Bibury, a village seemingly plucked from the pages of a fairy tale. Its most iconic scene unfolds along Arlington Row, a collection of 17th century weavers' cottages, their gabled roofs and crooked chimneys standing as a testament to a bygone era. Wander along the riverbank, the gentle murmur of water a constant companion, and you'll feel the centuries melt away. Our journey continues to a village often dubbed the prettiest village in England, and for good reason. Castle Combe, nestled in the Wiltshire countryside, captivates the senses with its quintessential English charm. Imagine, if you will, honey-coloured stone cottages adorned with climbing roses, their reflections shimmering in the crystal-clear waters of the Bibury River. Time seems to stand still in this idyllic setting where the only sounds are birdsong and the gentle clip-clop of horses' hooves on ancient cobblestone streets. From the rolling hills of the Cotswolds, we venture to the rugged Cornish coast, where a different kind of charm awaits. Perched precariously on steep cliffs overlooking the turquoise waters of the English Channel, Polperro is a village steeped in maritime history. Once a bustling fishing port, its narrow, winding streets are a labyrinth of fishermen's cottages, their whitewashed walls adorned with colourful flower boxes. Descend to the harbour and watch as fishing boats bob gently on the water, their nets laden with the day's catch, a testament to the enduring connection between this village and the sea. Prepare to be transported to the sun-drenched shores of Italy as we venture to Portree, a village unlike any other in the UK. This architectural marvel, nestled on the coast of North Wales, is a vibrant tapestry of Italianate buildings, exotic gardens and sparkling blue waters. Conceived by the visionary architect Sir Clough Williams-Ellis, Portree is a testament to the power of imagination, where every twist and turn reveals a new and unexpected delight. Our final destination takes us to a village where time seems to have stood still. Cloverley, clinging to the steep wooded slopes of the North Devon coast, is a place where cars are banned and donkeys still reign supreme. Cobblestone streets, worn smooth by centuries of footfall, wind their way down to the harbour, where colourful fishing boats bob gently on the water. Here the pace of life is slow and deliberate, a welcome respite from the hustle and bustle of modern life. As our journey through these enchanting villages draws to a close, we are reminded of the rich tapestry of history, culture and natural beauty that makes the United Kingdom so unique. From the honey-coloured stone cottages of the Cotswolds to the rugged coastline of Cornwall, each village offers a glimpse into a way of life that has endured for centuries. So, dear viewer, I encourage you to seek out these hidden gems, to wander their ancient streets, and to create your own memories in these timeless corners of the world. If you enjoyed this journey, please subscribe, like and share this video. Also, follow us on all platforms. Your support helps us bring more enchanting destinations to you. Happy travels!